Ladies and gentlemen, starting a manufacturing business needs great determination and confidence, but you have to be very clear about your business idea before you step into the entrepreneurial journey. Today in this video, I want to share with you 5 best small-scale manufacturing business for high profits. Number 1, making wooden toys. This is an example of profitable business that requires creativity and talent. The business won't require you to invest a lot of money. The high demand will help you make huge profits within a short period. Number 2, making school bags. The number of school-going children is always growing. This means that the demand for school bags will keep growing too. Launching the school bag making business shouldn't be too complicated. You won't need to invest a lot of cash in launching the small manufacturing business. This means that it should be reasonable for you. Number 3, disposable plates and cups. Disposable food grade plates and cups are used widely in any country during events, functions, and picnics. As they are widely used and have been low cost to make for a long time, the market has matured. They are usually made of paper, which is developed as an alternative to plastic, steel, and glass. The major part of the investment goes into acquiring disposable plate making machines. Number 4, cement brick manufacturing business. If you produce high quality cement bricks and put effort into advertising, you should generate a good profit from your business. You can launch your cement brick making business in your garage or in a small place. When your business grows, you can move to bigger locations. The cement bricks demands never falter. As long as building continues, the demand for your product will keep growing. And finally, we're at number 5, bamboo products making business. Bamboo products are environmentally friendly, but will require creativity to make them. If you start a bamboo product business, you can distribute your products to both the export and domestic market. You can market your high quality products to high end markets. The high end markets will allow you to make a huge profit. To get new and more customers, you can promote your business by using social media. Is there anything else you'd like to know more about and wish was included in this video? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll be glad if you like the video and give me some ideas on how I can improve my videos. And don't forget to subscribe.